Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. The Lee County Administration Building stands as a vital symbol of the civic growth and organization governance that have shaped Southwest Florida since the late 19th century. This specific site has long been the primary centre of local authority, evolving in tandem with the region's rapidly expanding population and shifting economic priorities. While the current structure reflects the efficiency and accessibility required for modern administrative needs, its location is deeply steeped in the history of the county's formal creation back in 1887. When Lee County was first carved out of Monroe County, the community needed a centralized hub where the people's business could be conducted with transparency and permanence. The architecture of the administration complex today is designed to convey this sense of stability and institutional strength. It serves as the operational heart for the essential functions that keep the entire region running smoothly, from comprehensive urban planning and environmental protection to the meticulous maintenance of public records and tax collection. Beyond the daily hum of bureaucracy, the building represents the dramatic shift of Fort Myers from a small, isolated frontier town into a bustling and influential county seat. It is a physical place where the future of the region is debated, shaped, and decided through public policy. Its prominent presence in the downtown core ensures that local government remains at the physical and social center of the community it serves. As Southwest Florida continues to be one of the fastest growing areas in the country, the role of this administrative hub becomes even more critical. It acts as a bridge between the historical roots of the original pioneers who settled these lands and the complex technological demands of the 21st century. The building stands not just as an office for public servants, but as a monument to the democratic process and the collective efforts required to manage a thriving modern metropolis. It is a reminder that the prosperity of the region is often built on the quiet, steady work of governance that happens within these walls every day.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.